Welcome, here I've got Google Pixel 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change photo resolution in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap to the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard camera mode. From here let's go to the top at the center. When we pick this button we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's pick this button from the right so we can open the camera settings. From here we have to slide a little bit down and find the photo category. Now at the first place we have camera photo resolution option, so let's pick it. And here we can decide between the full resolution and medium resolution that uses less storage. So this is how it changes, and of course I suggest you to keep this on the best possible, which is full one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.